Hi, welcome to Willowbrook Apiaries. Today we are going to be going in and checking hives for two things. We're going to be running a mite check to see how the treatments were, if they were effective, and we're going to be checking to see if they've started bringing in enough fall nectar that we're going to need to do another honey pull soon. Follow along as we dive into the exciting and interesting world of bees and beekeeping. Okay, we installed a Bee Smart bottom board. I sent this cool little sticker. And it has these entrance reducers to keep mice out. The bees are figuring that out real quick. And it's got the only issue that I have with this per se is the pins don't quite fit inside this wooden box. So I had to look at that a little bit, maybe make some modifications to my wooden box or to the inner cover, one or the other. But this is supposed to be 70% more insulated than the polystyrene hives, and should lead to better winter survival rate. So we've got the Better Bee Lysin polystyrene hives, we've got woodenware, and woodenware with the Bee Smart insulated bottom board and inner cover, which should create a condensing hive where the water builds up on the side of the hives in the wintertime instead of dripping onto the bees, giving them a better insulation, access to water, and hopefully helping them make it through the winter. We did two different mite checks over here on my hives, and both of them turned up 1 mite per 300 after treatment. So the treatment was very effective. Prior to treatment, we had hives that were hitting 5 mites, or two to 3 per 100 was our counts. No, I'm kidding. We actually had, it was worse than that. We had 2 hives that tested 5 mites per 100 and slapped on Formic Pro, treat that right away, and it was effective. Organic, soft treatment that does not get into the honey or into the wax. That's why we like that. And today we're taking the Formic Pro pads out. That's what's right here. So yeah, follow along. All right, so what we ended up doing is switching a hive into the Bee Smart bottom board, inner cover, outer cover. That went really well. Our mite counts, we went down to 1 mite or 0 mites per 100, which is perfect. And they're packing the honey on. So probably 2 more weeks we'll be pulling some fall honey. Follow along and see how it goes. Willowbrook Apiaries, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.